Morning children, welcome all of you to English class today. Before starting our class, let's recite Brahmanad, say it properly. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swastha. Let me ask you some questions of para 3, 4, 5 of the Olympic champion and the dogs. First, try to answer. Who came in the way of Bobby's race? Listen carefully. Who came in the way of Bobby's race? Yes, the dog and ducklings. They came in the way of Bobby's race. Where were the dog and ducklings swimming into? The dog and ducklings were swimming into the course of Bobby's boat. Who were shouting on the shore? Who were shouting on the shore? The people were shouting on the shore. How were they shouting? They were shouting as if they were mad. When did Bobby pick up his speed again? Bobby picked up his speed again when the dog and ducklings passed before his boat. Today we are going to read the last para, or we are going to discuss the last para of the lesson. Para 5 we are going to discuss. Let me write the topic. The Olympic champion and the dogs, para 5. You children, open your book and listen me carefully while I am reading. You listen me attentively. Okay, let's start. Of all the Olympic heroes, it was he who owned everybody's heart. A Dutch newspaper wrote he owned the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. His friends in the Australian Olympic team were not surprised by the incident of the dogs. Bobby is that kind of bloke, they said. From the age of 6, Bobby Pierce competed in races for 33 years and retired from sports in 1945. How many of these races do you know? He lost not a single race. Let's discuss the para 5. Before that, you go through the para 5 and find out the difficult words. I think these are the difficult words. You write the meaning, you write the sentence using those difficult words, and then you try to understand the para. Let's start. What notes? Win everybody's heart. He owned everybody's hat by holding a rank in HSC exam or HSC examination. He owned everybody's heart by holding a rank in HSC exam. Then goodwill. Tendulkar has goodwill of many people. Tendulkar has goodwill of many people. The company has goodwill of the people. Goodwill. Goodwill means helpful feelings. Helpful feelings. Block. Then comes your block. Colloquial language, block means man. Look, that block is coming. That block, it is coming. Block means man. Block means man. Now you read the para 5 and try to grasp or understand the para better. Let me tell you the gist. Let's explain the para. Among all the Olympic heroes means among all the great athletes, it was Bobby Pierce who owned the heart of everyone, because he did a noble job while playing Olympics. He let the dogs pass before his boat, and then he picked up his speed and won the race. He showed his sympathy towards that tiny, small, mere creature. So he won the heart of everyone. Basically, he won the heart of small kids, small children. Even though the Olympic was playing in Amsterdam, he had great fan followings, particularly the kids sections. The small children, as you know, love swimming, rowing, skating, and these small children liked him very much. So one of the Dutch newspaper, a newspaper of Netherlands is called Dutch newspaper. So one of the Dutch newspapers wrote about Bobby Pierce that he has won the goodwill of small children in Amsterdam. And now have a look on his career. Before that, the media persons met the Olympic Association of Swimming Sculling Association of Australia and asked him about Bobby Pierce, and he told them everything that while playing Olympic, Bobby Pierce had to face some challenge. A dog and ducklings came in his way and he felt some sort of problem there, and in his reply, his friends in Olympic sculling team of Australia, they replied they knew Bobby Pierce well. In his saying, he said, Bobby Pierce is that kind of bloke, means he knew Bobby Pierce well. He knew all about Bobby's nature, and he knew that Bobby was very sympathetic. He didn't kill any birds, any small creatures, even though he was on the verge of winning. He showed his sympathy. He is very sympathetic. He was very kind towards birds and animals. So they felt no surprise at all. Look at the career of, have a look at the career of Bobby Pierce. Bobby started sculling, as I have already told you. He started rowing at the age of 5. He started competition at the age of 6. Then his sculling career was of 33 years, means he retired at the age of 39. He started his career at the age of 6 years. Career start. When he retired at 39 in 1945. In the year of 1945, he retired from sculling. Then what about his sculling career? His sculling career was of 33 years. 33 years of sculling career. And you will be surprised to know that how many races he lost. Not a single one. Just imagine how efficient and talented athlete he was. This was all about the Para 5. Para 5 tells you about the reaction of people the reaction of the small kids and the achievements of Bobby Pierce in his career. How many races did he lose? He lost not a single one. His career was 33 years. He was very talented and efficient athlete. Okay, let me check how far you have understood in this para. I will ask you some questions, try to answer them. We will discuss over it. Let us discuss some comprehension questions and answers. Why did he win everybody's hat? He won everybody's hat for waiting to let the dog pass. What did the Dodge newspaper write about him? The Dodge newspaper wrote that he won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. When did Bobby retire from sports? Bobby retired from sports in 1945. How many races did he lose? He lost not a single race. Why were his Australian friends not surprised? His Australian friends were not surprised because they knew Bobby's